Here's a little bit of an update on the electrical system. I made some cloth wires for the cloth insulated wires for the ignition, and I made that little bracket for the switch. I've got to find a turn signal switch that I like. It has more than 4 wires. I like this one a lot, but it only has 4 wires, and long story short, that won't work. In the meantime, I decided to do a little diversion. I put my little aluminum lion head on there, and I fabricated a front crossmember today. Alright, more later.